Hey, what's going on, everyone? This is Benny Childs, and I am the founder of the Teach Me to Fish Effects trading community. I also go by the Forex Pastor, and I'm just kind of hanging out right now in my office, just kind of going over some charts, just to kind of see what the market is doing for us before 2020, and maybe to see what we can expect at the first part of 2020. But this is just a pretty impromptu invitation that I want to extend to you to head over to the website and sign up for our free, no obligation common sense webinar. In this webinar, I'm going to share with you exactly what the Forex market is. No one else is sharing this information with you, I promise you. I'm going to reveal to you what I like to call the cheat code. And not only that, I'm going to show you how to be the most profitable in the Forex market. I'm also going to show you how the Forex market can not only benefit you, but also benefit your family. And after that, I'm going to show to you free a 90% profitable strategy that when you implement it, you're going to make money immediately. Now, at the end of all of that, I'm going to extend to you an opportunity to be a part of the Teach Me to Fish Effects trading community at a discounted price. Now you're saying, well, if you're going to share everything with me for free, why would I join the community? Well, when you join the community, I'm going to top that 90% strategy and show you a strategy that we use that is 99% profitable. This is the same strategy that you guys see me take small accounts and even large accounts and yield a 100 to 500% profit almost immediately. So if you guys are interested in learning the real knowledge behind the Forex market, learning what's really going on and how you can be 99% profitable, head over to the teachmetofisheffects.com and register for the Common Sense webinar. All right, guys, that's it for me. I look forward to seeing you guys on January 2nd. And until next time, if you stay in God, you will stay in control. Happy pip fishing. Bye-bye.